Dear Ashley, quote, "The more I see you." When I first heard that song driving to the office one morning a year or two ago, I got the chills. I've never had such a reaction to hearing music before. The song made me think of you and spoke word for word how special you make me feel. It's hard to put into words. The song, the music, Chet's voice. I stopped and pulled over on the street, picturing your beautiful, smiling face. When I picture you in my mind's eye, there's many snapshots of mental pictures I've tucked away. As I'm writing this card, listening to our song the night before our wedding, I am picturing my favorite image of you. I'm imagining you on the balcony of the Ariel in Gord. There was a full moon, and we were sitting right on the edge of the hotel restaurant's terrace. You had the biggest smile on your face. Your hair was stunning. The moon and candlelight lit up your sparkling green eyes. I'm so in love. You are more than I deserve in this life, and are a blessing I've received, that I, of all people, was lucky to meet, to befriend, to fall in love, and now to marry. This day is a special day for us. We officially become one. I can't contain my excitement. Having you by my side is life's biggest gift to me. Hand in hand, our wedding bands on our fingers, we will be able to take on anything. My partner, my rock. I love you very much. Peter.
I love you not only for what you are, but for what I am when I am with you. I love you not only for what you have made of yourself, but for what you are making of me. I love you for the part of me that you bring out. I love you for putting your hand into my heaped up heart and passing over all the foolish, weak things that you can't help dimly see there, and for drawing out into the light all the beautiful belongings that no one else had quite looked far enough to find. I love you because you have done more than any creed could have done to make me good, and more than any fate could have done to make me happy. You have done it without a touch, without a word, without a sign. You have done it by being yourself. Perhaps that is what being a friend means, after all.
Yesterday, I asked you if you ever thought, when we started dating, that we would eventually get married. You quickly responded, yes. You have always been sure about us, our friendship, our partnership, and the life we want to build together. I want you to know that I have never been more sure of anything than my choice to marry you today. It's always been you. I love you, Mudgee. Ashley.
For Ashley and Peter, this is a very special moment in the development of their relationship. Through their love for one another, their lives have become richer and fuller, and they are both made stronger. Having found one another and having established their relationship, they have come here tonight to give it special significance by celebrating it here with you their families, and their friends in this place.
Ashley, ever since the day we became best friends, and eventually when we fell in love, I've been the happiest I've ever been. I've learned so much from you, from how to cook dinner to how to be a better person. I promise you all the big things: stability, security, devotion, honesty. I promise you all the small things: a tea before bed, a back rub after a long day. I will be the gentleman you deserve to be your husband. I am truly blessed. My life has taken on new meaning since I've started sharing every morning, day, and night with you. I will love you forever.
When I was young, my mama said, there are things you can't explain. Now that I met you, seems to come true. I guess I'm crazy, crazy, crazy in love.
Ashley, being in your orbit is one of the best parts of my life. You are a true friend and lifelong confidant, and I feel tremendously lucky to know you. Peter, Ash and I talk about you a lot, so I know exactly how she feels about you. I know how deeply she respects you, how she admires your work ethic, intelligence, and generosity, and the gratitude she feels every day for the life you two have built together.
I'm seeing blue skies, sunrise, sun in your eyes. I'm not wasting more time. Guess I'm the reason. Seasons, you're the rhyme in my heart beats out of time.
Being Ashley's husband means you will know what it's like to be loved deeply and completely, and to always have someone in your corner, or as Ashley's mom would say, your pocket. I'm so glad you found each other in this big, crazy world. I love you both, and I wish you the absolute best.
You do something new to me, and I don't wanna go. Play me one more song.
Peter, if I could sit down with my 14-year-old self, take her hand, and tell her how beautiful her life would become, she wouldn't even believe me. I would tell her about meeting you at law school, that you listened to CBC radio every day, and that you were funny without having to be the loudest voice in the room.
I'm seeing blue skies, sunrise, sun in your eyes. I'm not wasting more time. Guess I'm the reason. Seasons, you're the rhyme in my heart beats out of time. You do something new to me. Red like blood runs through me. You do something new to me, and I don't wanna go. Play me one more song.
To me, our relationship feels like that time in your early 20s when your friends are your family, but with you, I get to have that for my whole life. Whenever I hear a funny joke, I want you to hear it too. Whenever I see something beautiful, I want you to see it too. And whenever something truly wonderful happens, you're the first person I want to tell.
You do something new to me. Red like blood runs through me. You do something new to
hug in the coziest nook for me to snuggle into. You have given me a life I couldn't have imagined, and I'm filled with gratitude every day. How much luckier can one be than to spend a life with their dearest friend?